AMI or Amazon Meshing Image is like a blueprint or template for creating virtual machines, also known as instances on AWS. It contains all the necessary information like the operating system, software, and configurations needed to launch and run an instance in the cloud. Think of it as a ready-made package that you can use to quickly set up a new computer in the cloud without starting from scratch each time. And in interviews for roles like Cloud Architect, AWS Solutions Architect, or Cloud Engineer, many questions focus on the creation, management, and sharing of custom AMIs to help build scalable and efficient cloud environment. And this topic is a core part of our AWS job-oriented program where we help you develop practical, hands-on skills like creating and sharing custom AMIs across AWS accounts. Exactly what you'll need for these roles. And if you are aiming for similar positions or unsure where to start, don't miss our 90-minute free AWS job-oriented masterclass. In this session, our experts will share a proven 3-step strategy and a clear roadmap that has helped professionals like Renga and Kennedy land their dream cloud jobs. So click the link below to register and start your journey today. So now let's get into the video.
So now folks, okay, what we have, as I said that we have only snapshot now, and now let's say 10 days pass or 15 days pass, and now let's say tomorrow, okay, tomorrow we have a big billion day and you want to set up, okay, your Flipkart server, right? So we have a tomorrow we have a Flipkart big billion day and you need to be ready. Now what we have a snapshot, right? So now what exactly I'm going to do now? I'm going to convert this snapshot, okay, into the image. Okay, you can also convert your snapshot into the volume. I'm also going to create this, I'm also convert this snapshot to the image, right? I'll just say, so here I'll just give the name, okay, description, what is architecture, virtualization, everything the same. And I'll just say that let's create an image. And now you can see that my image is ready. It is available. So now what exactly this image is? Now let's suppose once I convert into the image. Okay, I'm just going to launch instance because, okay, tomorrow is my big billion day. Okay, so I'll say that, let's say this is a Flipkart, right? And if I choose from recent, okay, if I choose this Amazon Linux, then what happened exactly? Okay, it means we need to start everything from the scratch, right? We need to start everything from the scratch now. Okay, but as you know that we have created image, right? You can see here Flipkart. So my AMI, it means what? Your customization AMI, your customized AMI, where, okay, normally if you launch the instance, launch the AMI, it means what? You will get only the operating system. But here, okay, whenever, right, we choose my AMI, it means what? You will also get the operating system and you also get the Apache, you will also get the our index files, everything you have inside that. Because why? We have, okay, taken this snapshot, right? So we convert, okay, I mean to say image from the snapshot, and now I'm just going to launch it. So I'll just choose my AMI, Flipkart. Again, I choose T2 micro. Again, I choose, okay, again, I choose this K21-August, which is my key pair. And I'll say that I just want to launch this instance, okay, in this security group. And now folks, I'm not going to deploy any web server, neither I'm going to, okay, create something here. I'll just say that let's launch instance. I'm not going to add anything. And now let's see, okay, now the instance is ready. Okay, you can see it is running now. And now I'll just copy the public IP address. And now you can see exactly the same server. So now here you can see we haven't deployed any web server. Okay, neither we created anything like, okay, creating something like a web server or index file, nothing. We just copy the snapshot, and that snapshot convert into the AMI, right? And now we just launch the our customized AMI here. Okay, so when we launch the customized AMI, you can see everything is there. It means now I just required to update it. That's it. Right? I just need to update something, okay, about the operating system and some application. That's it. Clear, folks? Why exactly the snapshot AMI is important? Okay, great. So now everyone, okay, here, what happened exactly? So now, okay, we are using, okay, the same account, right? And we also create our own AMI as well. So we create our own AMI and we launch it. But now let's suppose my organization or my company say that, hey, Amaya, okay, for next, okay, for the next, you can say for Big Billion Day, right? For next Big Billion Day, please do not use this account. Okay, instead of that, please use another account, another AWS account. Now let's see what happened here. Again, in another account, okay, we also need to create everything from the scratch. Let's say your operating system, we again need to deploy applications, okay, the database and everything again that we need to deploy because it's in different account, right? But if you have the AWS, you don't need to worry. What you can do, you can share the AMIs as well. Okay, you can also share the AMI with the different AWS account, and after that, you can also launch the same instance from that account. Okay, I'll show you that. So now, okay, I mean to say, I also required one volunteer, okay, who can share their screen and they can display the same thing. Okay, so now I need one volunteer who can share your screen. So I just need account ID and so that I can and only the share the screen only. Can anyone ready? Anyone is ready? Okay. So Joel, are you ready to contribute? If yes, can you please share your account ID, AWS account ID? So you can just copy this account ID and share with me. Thank you, Joel. So now everyone, let's say I want to conduct the Big Billion Day on Joel account. Okay, not this AWS account. So how exactly we can do that? So now what I can do is I can just go to the AMI. Here you can see. And once I go to the AMI, here I'll just go to the action. And here you can see there is a edit AMI permission. So if you see in this AMI, what I need to do is I just need to share, okay, or add this account ID. So let's say this is the Joel account ID, right? And now what I need to do is I'll just share the AMI. Okay, so we just edit the AMI permission and we just, okay, share, add the account ID. And now I'll just say, let's save changes. So I'll just save the changes now. Okay. So now everyone, you can see Joel has shared the screen. Now, okay, so now what's exactly the next? So now if you notice that I share the AMI through the Mumbai region. Okay, and it's a network devices. So Joel, please navigate to the Mumbai region first. Mumbai, above Asia Pacific. Yeah, Mumbai, correct. So now first we just need to navigate to the Mumbai region. And now in left side, Joel, you can just see AMIs. Below that, AMI. So now here I share this my AMIs privately. Okay, so now you can see below, yes, click on private image. And now you can see this is my Flipkart image, which I share, right? And now what we need to do is just choose the AMI, select it, right? And you can say just click on launch instance from AMI. You can give name, let's say Flipkart something, right? Just scroll down. You can select it and just proceed without key pair. We don't require it at the moment. No, just select it, proceed without key pair. And here you can just allow HTTP, HTTPS. Just click on it, right? And now simply just launch the instance, nothing else. Just click on view all instance. Let's wait. Just refresh it. So now just copy the public IP. No, you can see public IP below that square icon. Yeah, okay, that's okay. That's also fine. And open in the browser. Right? This is the same instance, okay, which I created, right? And now you can see we don't need anything, right? So here if you see, okay, we haven't, okay, deploy Apache or anything, right? So you can see here, I can directly share, okay, I can directly share here the AMI directly. So it means not only, okay, it's not only that you can, use the same AMI in same account, but you can also use in different account as well. Clear, everyone? Everyone, is it clear? Yep. Thank you, Joel. Thank you for sharing your screen. Okay, here, this is my AMI, customize AMI. I'll just edit AMI permission and add the account ID. So Joel receive the same, okay, AMI in their AWS account in the same region. Satish, this image is not for on-premises. It is only for AWS. Got it? Satish, this is not for, the image is not for your on-premises. This is for your, okay, only to the AWS. Okay. Yeah. So just now I show the practical use, Rupa, right? So in case if you want to share exactly the same server, your EC2 instance, exactly same to different AWS account, because what happened? Generally in organization, they are not using a single AWS account. They are using multiple AWS account. So in my in my account, in my organization, okay, I have a more than 200 plus AWS account. So if I create a same server, okay, and if I need the, in another account, it will help us to share the screen as well. I mean to say, the share the AMI as well. So it's not only that you can share the, okay, AMI, but so if you just go to the snapshot setting, okay, you can also share the snapshot directly as well, your backup as well. Okay, so let's say, okay, you have some DR account, a specific DR account where you keep all the DR. So you can also share the snapshot as well, right? You can directly click on add account ID, and you can say that, okay, whether you want to use it as a public or private. You can also add the AWS snapshot as well. Got it? Okay. Now the next question is that, is there anything scenario like more EC2 AMI associate in snapshot? See, the AMI, okay, it contain one or more snapshot, or let's say root or any additional EBS volume at the time of AMI creation, or the metadata, just launch permission, block device mapping, virtualization. So snapshot is just a backup for a single EBS volume, right? So single snapshot can be referenced by multiple AMI. So let's say you create a AMI from the snapshot. Okay, so later you copy or modify the AMI. You change the permission, rename it, make it public. So this new AMI can still point, no, point to the same snapshot. So this is common when you copy AMI across a region and the snapshot is duplicated per region, but multiple AMIs may point to it within a region only. So can single AMI have your multiple snapshot, right? This is the next question. So yes, if the EC2 instance had a multiple attached EBS volume, when you create the AMI, the AWS will also create one snapshot per volume. Okay, got it? The first answer. Then you say that also this kind of sharing will only work if user account region in same region. So you mean to say that, okay, now see, now Joel, I share the AMI, okay, this specific AMI to Joel account, then Joel also copy the snapshot in their account as well. So you can see, let's say I share the snapshot to Joel, right? And Joel receive it to Mumbai region, but now Joel required in Ohio region. So I can just copy the snapshot, and where exactly you want, I want in Ohio region, right? So you can also copy the snapshot as well. Okay, in this region, multiple regions. Yeah. Can we also copy the AMI to the different region? I guess yes. So yes, there is the option. Yes, you can see copy AMI. You can see copy AMI, and you can see where exactly you want to copy. You can also decide.
So now you have learned how to create custom AMIs, launch EC2 instances from them, and share them across accounts for scalable cloud deployments. These are powerful skills that will open doors to high demand roles like AWS Solutions Architect, Cloud Engineer, and DevOps Engineer. And if you are ready to accelerate your cloud career, don't miss out on our free AWS Job Oriented Masterclass. We will guide you through the essential skills, prepare you for interviews, and help you land a top tier job in the cloud industry. So you can register through the link in the description below. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.